Hi everyone, JM here again with another episode of Excel in 60 seconds. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly filter your data in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. So here I've already created a table with names, departments, and locations. So with just a few quick keystrokes, you can easily sort and display the specific data you need. So let's get started. So here, you just need to click on your keyboard, Control, Shift plus the letter L, and then you will see the drop down buttons here on your column header. So, for example, you would like to sort the department and only shows those who are working in IT. So, click the drop down and then uncheck all, select only IT, and then you will get those people who are working in IT department. You would like to see IT kitchen and then the marketing, just tick again the box, hit OK, and then you will see those people working in IT, marketing, and kitchen department. So same here, um, location. If you would like to sort them out, just hit the data that you need and then hit OK. Hope you learned something. Follow for more. Thank you.